In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix DHgate Payment Failed. Payment failures usually happen because of card restrictions, incorrect details, or app issues. So the first thing that you have to do is of course head over to DHgate and consider logging into your account. Now at the bottom corner of your screen, click on your card and say for example, we want to check out this item. Now from here, click View All beside Payment Method. And the first thing that you should check if especially you're using a debit or credit card as your payment option is to double check your card number, expiration date, and CVV. You must also check the shipping address, for even small errors can cause a failure. Next is contact your bank or check your banking app. International or online payments may be blocked by default. So make sure that you also try that fix. Another way is by choosing a different payment option like PayPal or another card or a virtual card and see if your order will push through. Lastly is make sure that your DH Gate app is updated to the latest version so you can try uninstalling the app and installing it once again from Play Store or App Store or switch to Wi-Fi or mobile data and try again. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!